Hello everyone, my name is Ratna Dubey and in this video I'll be explaining about the types of partners. Now, as you can see here that there are different types of partner, that is active partner, sleeping or dormant partner, nominal partner, partner in profit only, partner by an estoppel or holding out, minor partner. Now, we will be discussing about all these types in detail. So, active partner. As the name suggests, any person who takes an active part in the day to day operation of the business and management, that partner is known as active partner. Suppose in any business there is one person who is actively taking part in all the operations of the business, then that partner becomes the active partner of the firm. Now, sleeping partner. Sleeping or dormant partner is the partner, that means the person who do not take any kind of active part in the day to day operation of the business. He will be bearing losses and taking the profit also. Also, he will bring the capital into the firm, but he will not actively take part in the daily operation of the business. That's why he is sleeping partner. Now, the next is nominal partner. Nominal partner, suppose any well known personality, any famous person, when that person gives his name to be used by the firm, that means that person allows his name to be used by the firm for the increase in the goodwill of the firm, or firm is new, then in that case for the quick and rapid growth of that newly established firm, then that partner who is allowing his name to be used by the firm, that person will be known as nominal partner. That person is only giving his name to be used by that firm. He will not take an active part in the daily operation of the business. He will also not bring any kind of capital into the business, but he will be sharing profit. Also, he will be bearing losses as well. He will not take an active part in the operation of the business. His liability will also remain same, that is unlimited as the other partners. The different thing over here is that he will not take an active part in the daily operation. Now, partner in profit only. When any person is admitted into the partnership firm in order to take the advantage of his expertise, experience, or any kind of specialized skill or knowledge that that person is having, then in that case, that person will be known as partner in profit only. Here, he will be entitled to receive only the profit of the firm, but he will not bear any kind of loss that the firm is incurring. That's why he is known as partner in profit only. Now, partner by estoppel. I will give one example over here. Suppose any person is there in the firm and any third party come, and that person, that third party, assume that person as the partner, and the person's behavior is such that he is pretending to be the partner of the firm. He is not giving any kind of clarification about this. Means the third party assumed him to be the partner because his behavior was such that that third person assumed him to be the partner of the firm, and that person didn't deny to that thing. That's why now he will be taken as partner by estoppel or partner by holding out. That third party was unknown person, but he assumed him to be the partner and that person didn't deny to this thing. That's why that partner now will be liable. Now his liability will be unlimited over here as the other partners only. That's why it becomes partner by estoppel or holding out. Now, minor partner. Obviously, we know that as per the act, only an adult person, that means a major person, can only be a partner in a partnership firm. He only can sign a partnership deed. But there are certain cases in which Minor can be the partner in the firm, but he will be taking benefit only. That means that minor will be admitted into the partnership firm, but for taking the advantages from that firm only. He will not bear any kind of losses, or he will not be liable to pay any kind of debt that the firm is incurring. Suppose any creditor is there, then that minor will not be liable against that creditor. That minor's properties cannot be sold for paying out the liability of that creditor. He is into the partnership firm just for taking the benefit of the business and not to bear any kind of loss. That means his liability will not be arising over here. Clear with all the types of partners? So now if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.